Hi viewers, welcome back again in another beautiful video. Beloved, today we are going to be making a very good quality hair conditioner. Now, if this is what you are waiting to see, please keep on watching. So, in my table here, I have a lot of ingredients. Let me start the introduction of this ingredient. This one is my e-wax. I have my stearic acid. I have my cetyl alcohol. I have my nitrosol powder. I have my SLS. I have my water. I have my preservative. I'm using German Plus, and I have my paraffin oil. I have my the quartz A. I have my perfume. I have my glycerine. I have my homemade aloe vera oil. Then I have my vitamin E. Then my manual hand blender. So first of all, we are going to be dissolving these three oils, this stearic acid, EWAS, and cetyl alcohol. We are going to be dissolving it on a very low heat. So we'll go and dissolve it. So now our oil is on the fire, dissolving slowly, as you can see. So you have to be patient in this phase. If you cannot be patient enough, you can use your spoon to help the oil to dissolve very fast, just like the way I am doing it here. Now we are done dissolving the waxes. So the next thing I'm going to add here is my paraffin oil. So I am adding my paraffin oil. So I want all the oil to be heated. So the one I'm not going to be pouring now is the aloe vera oil and the rest of the oil. So just keep on watching. So now we have our heated oil already. Then I'll turn off my gas. So our oils are well heated, so I'm going to transfer it into this clean bowl. Then I will go ahead and add my hot water. Then after adding my hot water, I will use my stick blender to blend a little. I'll keep it aside. I'll keep this bowl aside. So what we are going to dissolve now is this ones, nitrosol and SLS. So just watch me do this with cold water, please. Room temperature. So I will step this aside while it's going to gently dissolve. Now I'll go ahead and dissolve my nitrosol inside a room temperature cold water. So we are going to dissolve for some minutes. Keep on stirring it until it is thoroughly dissolved. So we step this aside and then keep on stirring our SLS to dissolve equally. Guys, keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Hit the red button that says subscribe and also turn on your notification bell. Thank you for doing that. May God bless you. So as you can see, the two chemical has been dissolved. My XLS has been dissolved and my nitrosol has been dissolved. So I'll gently pour it here, and then as I'm pouring, I'll just be stirring it. So you have to stir this properly so that you avoid lumps. So I'll set it aside and then bring back my bowl. Then I will add the white A. I'm adding 50 ml. Then I'm going to add my vitamin E oil, 30 ml. Then my aloe vera oil, 30 ml. Then I will stir. So the next I'm going to add is my mixture of nitrosol and XLS. So I will stir it for some times. Okay, guys, you keep on stirring it. You can start to use your blender. At this stage, I'm going to add my glycerin. I'm adding my glycerin. I'm adding 30 ml as well. Then I'm going to add my preservative. I'm using German Plus. So now I'm going to add my perfume. Choose a very nice perfume when you're making yours. So this perfume I'm using smells good. So I will stir. So as you can see, it's beginning to thicken.
Mommy, give me that one.
You stir it very well. You stir it very well. Wow. Guys, can you see? Look at that. Look at that. This perfume smells well. So at this stage, it's going to thicken more than this. If you want it to be like more watery, you don't want it to be thick, because if I leave it to the next minutes, it's going to thicken up. So if you don't want it to be more thick, you can add warm water. You can add warm distilled water on it, okay? So what do I mean by warm distilled water? You can just get your distilled water, then warm it a little bit, and then add it up just to loosen the thickness, okay? But mine is going to thicken more than this. So as you can see on the video, this is it. So my homemade hair conditioner is ready. I will go ahead and bottle it, put inside my container. Look at it.
Is it good?
So now let's button it. Can you see? It's very thick, very, very thick. So I'll just pour it. So can you see it? Guys, look at the final look of our nourished hair conditioner. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please leave a comment on the comment section, and also remember to share this video. If there is any other video you want me to make, please leave your comments on the comment section. Bye.